Hello everyone, welcome to Exams A to Z. This is Uma Maheshwar. In this video, we are going to look at trigonometry Tier 2 questions asked in 2018. So this video will definitely help you in your preparation for 2019. There are so many questions and so many patterns of the question which are asked in 2018. So go through each and every question. If any shortcut comes, then please note down so that it will be useful further. Now look at the questions. Under root of cot theta plus cos theta by cot theta minus cos theta is equal to, first take the expression which is under root. So cot, I can write it as cos by sine, take it as cos by sine plus cos by sine minus cos. If you take the common of cos theta and cancel it, you will be left with 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. If you multiply it with 1 plus sin theta, it will be 1 plus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin square theta. That is 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. So if you apply under root, it's going to be 1 plus sin by cos. 1 by cos is secant theta. Sin by cos is tan theta. So answer is secant theta plus tan theta here. This question 1 minus tan theta by 1 minus cot theta whole square. 1 minus tan theta by 1 minus cot theta, you can write it as 1 by tan whole square. This becomes 1 minus tan by tan minus 1 by tan theta whole square. This becomes minus 1. So if tan goes up, minus tan theta whole square, that is tan square theta, plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta. So answer is secant square theta. If 3 into cot square theta minus cos square theta is equals to cot square theta, theta is in between 0 to 90 and then the value of the expression is asked. So take 3 right hand side and cos square theta left hand side. Cot square by cos square, I can say it is 1 by sin square minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3. So 1 by sin square is equals to 4 by 3. So sin square is equals to 3 by 4. So sin is equals to root 3 by 2, that is theta is equals to 60. If theta is equals to 60 or phi is equals to 60, I am taking it as theta, not a problem. So tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 whole square is 3. Cosecant 60 is 4 by 3 whole. Actually it is 2 by root 3. So I am taking it as whole square 4 by 3. Then this is 3 by 4. Take the LCM of 12. 12 3 is a 36. 4 4 is a 16. 3 3 is a 9. So we have 61 in the numerator by 12. Answer is 61 by 12. If sin theta is equals to root 3 cos theta, then the value of the expression he is asking you. So see here, tan theta is equals to root 3 means is indirectly telling you that theta is equals to 60. So I can say 2 into root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 plus 2 square is 4. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Secant 60 is 2. Cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. So 1's a 2's a 2 cancel. Now see what we left with. Take the LCM of 2 root 3. 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. 4 into 2 root 3, 8 root 3. 2 into root 3 into 2 root 3, that is 6. 2 into root 3 2's a, so 2 2's a 4. So we got 10 plus 11 root 3 by 2 root 3. Rationalize the denominator, multiply it by root 3 and root 3. Multiply and divide it by root 3 and root 3. It becomes 10 root 3 plus 33 by 6. So answer is 10 root 3 plus 33 by 6. So he is asking you the value of the expression is equals to, first look at the numerator and then denominator, look at them separately. Now see here, in numerator secant theta into sin theta plus cos theta, 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta, you try to do this. Secant theta into sin theta is nothing but tan theta. Secant theta into cos theta is 1, so it is tan theta plus 1 into 1 minus sin theta, this becomes 1 by cos plus sin by cos. So it becomes 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, which means 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is 1 minus sin square theta by cos theta. So overall you are getting 1 plus tan cos square theta by cos theta is cos theta. This is cos theta. Now look at the denominator. In denominator you have sin into 1 plus tan plus cos into, you can write it as 1 plus 1 by tan. This you can further write it as cos into 1 plus tan by tan. So 1 plus tan, if I take common, it is sin plus tan, you can write sin by cos, so it becomes cos square by sin. So 1 plus tan sin square plus cos square is anyway 1, so 1 by sin theta. So finally we left with 1 plus tan cancel. So cos theta in the numerator, 1 by sin theta in the denominator. So if it goes up, sin theta into cos theta. He is asking you the value of the expression given. Now see, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. Look at the second part of this expression. You can write it as 1 plus tan square theta, that is secant square theta, plus 1 plus cot square theta, that is cosecant square theta. And remember, cosecant square theta plus secant square theta is nothing but secant square theta into cosecant square theta. This plus becomes into. How it is? Because 1 by cos square plus 1 by sin square, you will get sin square plus cos square by sin square cos square. Sin square plus cos square is anyway 1. So 1 by sin square cos square is nothing but secant square cosecant square. So always remember, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2, you can always write it as secant square theta into cosecant square theta. So if you can remember this, further you can do it easily. Now look at this. I am writing sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube is equals to sin to the power of 6 plus cos to the power of 6 plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into 1 plus into a plus b. A plus b is nothing but sin square plus cos square, that is anyway 1. So this also becomes 1. Now sin to the power of 6 plus cos to the power of 6 minus 1 is equals to minus 3 into sin square cos square. So the first expression is minus 3 into sin square cos square. The second part of the expression is 1 by sin square cos square. So anyway this get cancelled, so you left with minus 3 here. Or else you can substitute some theta value and then also you can do it. Let's substitute theta is equals to 45. So we know cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole to the power of 6 is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 again minus 1. 1, 1, 2. So that becomes 4. So this becomes minus 3 by 4 into 4. So the answer is minus 3. So by substitution also you can do it, but substitution will not always work. So I am taking it in both the ways. So the answer is minus 3 here. The value of sin 78 plus theta minus cos 12 minus theta and so on like that. We know sin 78 plus theta is same as cos 12 minus theta. So if I cancel it, it becomes 0. Cosecant square 20, you can write it as secant square 70. So this is reverse of the formula, because we know secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Therefore, tan square theta minus secant square theta becomes minus 1. Therefore, it is minus 1. In the denominator, you have sin A cos B cos A sin B, that is sin of A plus B. So, sin of 25 plus 65 sin 90 is 1. So, the answer is 0 minus 1 by 1. Finally, it's minus 1. It's asking you the value of the given expression. Now see, you can do it in so many ways. One way is to by substitute the value of theta. The best value of theta is equals to 45. If I substitute theta is equals to 45, so 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is 2 by root 2, that is root 2 minus 1. Denominator anyway becomes 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is 0, by 1 is 1 only, into tan square 45 is 1, cosecant square 45 is root 2 whole square is 2 minus 1 by again root 2 minus 1. So simply root 2 minus 1 gets cancelled. Answer is 1 here. So this is one way of doing it. And the other way of doing it is, we know cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equals to, you can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So in the same manner, you can write cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Again sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. In the same manner, sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So write this sin theta as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Cos theta minus 1, you can write it as cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 can cancel, so it becomes minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Denominator also becomes the same, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So instead of minus, you will have plus here, plus 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2 cancel if you common it. Finally, you are left with cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Multiply it with cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. So cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. In the numerator, it becomes cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 whole square, that is cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta by 2, that is sin theta. In the denominator, cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, that is cos theta. This becomes secant theta minus tan theta. So this whole becomes secant theta minus tan theta. Now if you look at this, cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. So cot square theta, tan square theta cancel. You are left with 1 by secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Anyway, it gives you 1. So rather than doing this whole thing, you can simply substitute and check it. The value of the whole expression is asking you. It's a very big expression. If you look at the option, all the options are different. So 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. So they have not given in terms of theta. So you can substitute any value of theta in order to get it. So the best value for substitution is theta is equals to, you can substitute 0. If theta is 0, 2 into cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1. Now 1 minus 0 minus 2. Minus 1 in the numerator, minus 1 in the denominator. That's simply 1. If you want to do it without substitution, let's take this out. Now, see how can we write sin to the power of 6 plus cos to the power of 6? We can write it as 2 into 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. How can we write sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta? 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Denominator, cos to the power of 4 theta minus sin to the power of 4 theta is cos square plus sin square into cos square minus sin square. minus 2 cos square theta. So in the numerator, if you multiply, minus 6 sin square cos square plus 6 sin square cos square cancel, so 2 minus 3. In the denominator, cos square minus sin square minus 2 cos square. So in the numerator minus 1, in the denominator minus sin square minus cos square, that is minus 1 by minus 1. Anyway, it's going to be plus 1. So answer is plus 1. If 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equals to p square by q square, then secant theta is equals to, do componendo and dividendo, you get 1 by sin theta is equals to p square plus q square by p square minus q square. So sin theta is p square minus q square by p square plus q square. So this becomes theta p square minus q square. Hypotenuse becomes p square plus q square. Obviously the third side becomes 2pq. So this triplet we already know it. So now we need to find out secant theta. Secant theta is hypotenuse, that is p square plus q square, by the adjacent, that is 2pq. So 1 by 2 you take common, divide it by 2pq. So p square by pq is p by q plus q by p. So answer is 1 by 2 into p by q plus q by p. So here it is. The value of the whole expression is asking. First, sin theta by 1 minus cos theta, you multiply it with 1 plus cos theta. Multiply it with 1 plus cos theta, it becomes 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta. Cancel it. Plus 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. If you take it, it becomes 2 by sin. Divided by cot square a by 1 plus cosecant a. You can write it as cosecant square a minus 1. Cosecant square a minus 1, you can write it as cosecant a plus 1 into cosecant a minus 1 by cosecant a plus 1. This cancel, now plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 also cancel. You have cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So divided by becomes what? Into, then reciprocate 1 by sin theta, it becomes sin theta. Sin cancel. We left with 2 here. Secant theta minus tan theta whole square into 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by sin theta. So whole thing I am writing it as secant theta minus tan theta to 1 plus sin theta by sin theta whole square. Numerator you can write it as 1 by cos, sin by cos. So 1 minus sin by cos into 1 plus sin by sin theta. Whole square is anyway as it is. So 1 minus sin into 1 minus sin into 1 plus sin is equals to cos square theta. So 1 cos cancels. So you left with cos theta in the numerator, sin theta in the denominator, whole square. Cos by sin is cot, therefore cot square theta. What is the value of cosecant 65 plus theta, secant 25 minus theta? These two are anyway same. Now tan square 20 minus cosecant square 70, you can write it as secant square 20. Now we know secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1, therefore tan square theta minus secant square theta is minus 1. So here it is minus 1. The value of secant square theta by cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta by cosecant square theta minus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. You can substitute the theta value, or else you can convert whole thing into sin and cos. So first I am converting whole thing into sin and cos. Now this gives me sin square by cos square plus cos square by sin square minus 1 by sin square, 1 by cos square. So you can write it as cos square you common, sin square minus 1 by cos square plus cos square minus 1 by sin square. So anyway this you are going to get minus 1, this is also minus 1, so this minus 2. The value of sin theta minus cos theta, into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta cot theta by 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Convert everything into sin and cos. So first keep that sin theta minus cos theta as it is. Take this part. So I'm writing it as 1 plus tan is sin by cos, cot is cos by sin. If I take the LCM of sin and cos, you get sin cos plus sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. So anyway 1 plus sin theta cos theta, 1 plus sin theta cos theta get cancelled. So you have to multiply sin minus cos with 1 by sin cos. So you get 1 by cos minus 1 by sin, that is secant theta minus cosecant theta. The value of tan square theta plus cot square theta minus secant square theta cosecant square theta is equals to, we have already seen 2 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta is equals to secant square theta cosecant square theta. Therefore, tan square theta plus cot square theta minus secant square theta cosecant square theta is equals to minus 2. So 2 you take it that side, and secant square theta cosecant square theta you take it this side, or else you can even substitute theta is equals to 45. If I substitute 45 to 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 into 2 is 4, therefore 2 minus 4 is minus 2. The value of tan 29 cot 61 minus cosecant square 61 plus cot square 54 minus secant square 36, I can write it as cot 61 into cot 61 cot square 61 minus cosecant square 61, that's minus 1 actually, plus again cot square 54, you can write it as cosecant square 54, that is also minus 1. So minus 1 you have minus 2 here, plus see how many sign values you have, 1 to 89 with a space of 2. So it follows 2n minus 1 sequence. So 2n minus 1 is equals to 89 means 2n is equals to 90. Therefore, there are 45 terms. So these 45 terms, if you pair it like sin square 1 plus sin square 89, so you will get totally 22 pairs, and the last one is sin square 45. So you have minus 2. Each and every pair gives you answer as 1. So there are 22 pairs. So there is 22 ones. Then after sin square 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Therefore 20 plus 1 by 2 is 21 by 2. Because we know a plus b by c is same as a b by c. If secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p, then cosecant theta plus 1 by cosecant theta minus 1. So secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p means secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. This format we already know. So we know 2 secant theta is equals to p square plus 1 by p. So secant theta is hypotenuse, that is p square plus 1, adjacent is 2p. Therefore the other side becomes p square minus 1. Now write cosecant theta, that is hypotenuse p square plus 1 by opposite p square minus 1. Do componendo and dividendo. You get cosecant theta plus 1 by cosecant theta minus 1 is equals to p plus 1 by p minus 1. So it is p square. If 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin theta is equals to 3, then he is asking you the value of the expression given. So I'm not going to solve the equation, or rather I'm just substituting the value of theta and check it. So 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin theta is equals to 3. You have a rational value. So I want the rational number for sin theta, and cos square anyway irrational also, if you square it, it becomes a rational number. So I'll substitute theta is equals to 30 degrees. So that 2 into root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 becomes 3. From this I can confirm that theta is equals to 30. So if theta is equals to 30, see this expression value. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square is again 3 by 4. Tan 60 is 3. Cosecant square 60 is 4 by 3. 3 by 4, 3 by 4 becomes 3 by 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 3. Take the LCM as 6. 3 3 is a 9. 3 6 is a 18. 4 4 is a 6. 4 2 is a 8. 26 plus 9 is 35 by 6. So answer is 35 by 6 here. The value of the expression is asked. We know 1 cosecant theta plus cot theta can be written as 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta. So this whole thing becomes under root of cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So this and this get cancelled. So this becomes cosecant theta minus cot theta. You can write it as 1 by sine, cos by sine. So minus cos by sine. 1 minus cos by sine. Divided by, you make it as into, so that it becomes reciprocal. 1 plus cos by sine. In the numerator 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta. In the denominator again sin square theta. So your answer is 1 here. The value of sin square 64 plus cos square 64 into sin 26, cos 64 into sin 26. Sin 26 can be written as cos 64. Therefore, the first two terms becomes 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta. And next, you can write it as cosecant 47. You can write it as secant 43. Cos theta secant theta gets cancelled. So it's 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. If sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta equal to 4 by root 3. First do, then he is asking you the value of this expression. Do sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. You multiply it with 1 minus cos. Denominator becomes sin square. Therefore, it is 1 minus cos by sin plus 1 plus cos by sin. Overall becomes 2 by sin is equals to 4 by root 3. Therefore, sin is equals to root 3 by 2. That's theta equal to 60 degrees. If theta is 60, tan 60 is root 3. Secant is 2 to the power of minus 1. So, he is asking you 1 by 2 plus root 3. Rationalize it. It becomes 2 minus root 3. Answer is 2 minus root 3. The value of cosecant 67 plus theta minus secant 23 minus theta. So, secant 23 minus theta can be written as cosecant 67 plus theta because we know secant theta is equals to cosecant 90 minus theta. So, if I use it, it's going to be same. So, cancel these two. That becomes 0 plus cos 15 is same as cosecant 75. You can write it as secant 15. So, cos 15, secant 15 cancel. Cos 35, cosecant 55 cancel. Therefore, you left with cos 60, that is 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2 here. If 5 sin theta minus 4 cos theta is equals to 0, then the value of that expression is asking you. We know sin by cos is equals to 4 by 5. It's a homogeneous expression, so substitute it directly. 5 into 4, 20. 2 into 5, 10. 5 into 4, 20 plus 3 into 5, 15. Therefore, 10 by 35. Cancel it in 5 table. 2 by 7. 2 sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A plus cos A. I am writing it as 2 sin A, 1 plus sin, 1 plus sin plus cos. Multiply it with 1 plus sin minus cos, 1 plus sin minus cos. Look at the denominator. It becomes 1 plus sin whole square minus cos square. 1 plus sin square plus 2 sin minus cos square. 1 minus cos square becomes sin square. Therefore, you will get, this is sin, 2 sin plus sin square, 2 sin square theta. If you common 2 sin theta, you will get 1 plus sin theta. So, your denominator becomes 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now, you write your numerator 2 sin into 1 plus sin theta by 2 sin into 1 plus sin theta. In the numerator, you have 1 plus sine minus cos. Just gets cancelled. So answer is 1 plus sine minus cos theta. So by looking at the denominator, you have to get your factor with which you have to multiply. Is asking you 1 plus cos theta whole square plus sine square theta by cosine square theta minus 1 into sine square theta. Your numerator you expand it, 1 plus sine cos square theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square is equals to, you can say 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus sine square theta. Denominator, cosine square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. Cot is nothing but cos square theta by sine square theta into sine square theta. Sine square cancel. Numerator becomes sine square plus cos square is 2, because already 1 is there, 1. So 1 plus 1 it's 2 plus 2 cos by cos square. 2 you common. 1 by cos square is secant square theta. Cos by cos square is 1 by cos theta, that is secant theta. You can also common secant theta. That's secant theta plus 1 or 1 plus secant theta. Answer is 2 secant theta into 1 plus secant theta. If theta lies in the first quadrant, cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to 1 by 2. Then the value of this expression. So cos square theta minus sin square theta is sin cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equals to 1 by 2 means 2 theta is equals to 60, which means theta equal to 30. Tan 60 is root 3 whole square is 3. Sin 90 is 1. So the answer is 4 here. The value of cos 9 plus sin 81, secant 9 plus cosecant 81. Sin 81 can be written as cos 9. Cosecant 81 can be written as secant 9. So I can write 2 cos 9 degrees into 2 secant 9 degrees by sin 56 secant 34. Secant 34 can be written as cosecant 56. Cos 25, cosecant 65 can be written as secant 25. We know sin theta into cosecant theta is 1. Cos theta into secant theta is also 1. So this get cancelled. You get 4 by 2. Answer is 2. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel Exams A to Z. Thank you.